life as well, who kind of just, we've gone this extensive amount of time where we just kind of like, we catch ourselves holding our breath, you know, just like waiting for the next nightmare to happen, right? And it's such a weird thing now because I'm so conscious of it, and conscious of when I'm not breathing. Because you know, even though I'm, you know, have ascended so far on this path, like there's still always going to be room for improvement. Obviously, you know, there is no level of perfection to obtain. But those moments when I realize I'm being less than perfect, right? I catch myself not breathing, and then I know how to come back into my body now, though. Whereas before, I didn't know how to do that. I'm like, I don't know what's going on, but I want to get out of this body. Do you have any advice for anyone who is looking to, I guess, start a mindfulness journey and be more intentional about their life? Because, you know, just telling somebody, you know, breathe more or something like that may not always be the recipe for a person who's kind of become ingrained in that type of living, you know? So where's a good place to start if you don't know anything about consciousness and breath work and all these things?
Yeah, it's a, it's an awesome question, because lots of the people are coming to me and they ask me similar question. So how can I start the basic level of mindfulness practice? So I would strongly recommend, we can understand the nature, like we can go for the morning walk, we can connect with the nature, like the rock, mountain.
I
So
love me some nature.
yeah, even you are living on the bank of ocean, right? So we can go
Mhm.
on the bank of the ocean and just take a deep breath inside. So you don't have to do anything. And we know, like, there's a breath in autopilot stage, it is coming and going. So just be aware, just be
Mhm.
aware with the breath, and you have to do nothing. And another part of mindfulness practice, which we can do sometimes, the basic level, like keep on practicing we can keep on practicing while closing our eyes. Just close your eyes and do nothing. Are you listening
Mhm.
up? Just close your eyes and do nothing. Let the thoughts are coming, let the thoughts are going. So just
Mhm.
become a watcher, just become an observer, means just observe it, what is happening inside. The thoughts are coming, the thoughts are going. Let them come, let them go. You are just a watcher, witnesser, that's all. So this is the basic level of mindfulness practice. Another practice which we can do, like how to live into the present moment awareness. And it's very easy. Like, if the thoughts are coming and going, we don't have to judge or label any kind of the thought, as I said in the beginning, whether it is positive thought, negative thought, good thought, bad thought.
Mhm.
Because mind will take us into the thought of the past or the future. That is a property of the mind. So just becomes sitting silently, and just bring, even you don't have to bring the sensation of awareness of the breath at the top of the nostril, while breathing, while breathe out, because this is the advanced level of the practice. Just close your eyes and just aware of the breath, and don't
Mhm.
let go into the thought of the past or the future. So this is the another part of the basic level of mindfulness practice which we can do.
Mhm. I like it.